This is a 2022 AlfaMacchine amp TA-350 double miter auto saw. It does have very low hours. It is currently showing 365 hours of wood passage time. Very, very hard saw to find used, especially with this low of usage. Up front, it does have the horizontal feeder. There's a couple advantages. First of all, once you set it up, you do not have to reset it if you're using multiple widths. So that is what's really nice over a hopper. It also alleviates the issues of a hopper if you have different profiles that do not stack. And what we like about this is you have less chance of scratching your profiles because they are not riding on top of each other. This is your end stop. Your operator is just going to come in and feed the boards until it hits the end stop. This is your dual gripper feeder in here. Of course, that is attached to the AlfaMacchine TA-350 350 millimeter 14-inch blade dual miter saw. That is just a really, really nice miter saw. You do have a 12-foot outfeed, and that is going to be a triple kick outfeed conveyor. Basically, you have 3 segments that can kick. Your eye for your first segment is here. Your eye for your second segment is in the first segment, and your eye for the third kicker is in the second segment. These are your transfer conveyors. There's 2 of them, and they are pneumatic. They are not motor driven. Simply what they do is it's going to come in and just as a piece is kicked onto them, they're just going to move forward slightly and bring your material forward. Basically, this forms 2 workstations for 2 operators, or 2 assemblers rather. Another thing you can do, and we've seen this several times, is you can take these tables, these conveyors, and you can lower them, invert them, so flip them around, and you can stick them underneath this outfeed conveyor, having the front trailing edge sticking out 12 to 14 inches. It'll kick the piece on, and then it will feed your pieces to the rear of the machine. The advantage of that is this machine will be 94 inches in depth, so it will be space saving. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.